Have you ever spilled something on your car seat, and before you know it, crumbs and dust are piling up? Or maybe your home's nooks and crannies are collecting dirt that's impossible to reach. If you're tired of dealing with stubborn messes and traditional bulky vacuums, it's time to consider a solution that works as hard as you do. The REIKIYA C10 Handheld Cordless Vacuum. You know how it goes. 1 minute you're trying to clean up a small mess, and the next, you're dragging out a giant vacuum that feels like more work than it's worth. So why the REIKIYA C10? Simple, it's compact, cordless, and powerful. Let's get into the what's, whys, and hows. It's a lightweight, handheld vacuum that doesn't compromise on suction power. Whether you need to tidy up pet hair from your sofa or clean the crevices of your car, this little machine has your back. Well, ask yourself, how often do you avoid cleaning up small messes just because it's too inconvenient to pull out the big vacuum? With the REIKIYA C10, cleaning becomes quick and effortless. You're more likely to handle those spills and crumbs right when they happen, keeping your space cleaner overall. Plus, who doesn't love the freedom of being cordless? This vacuum is simple to use. Just charge it up, and you're ready to clean anywhere with multiple attachments. You can reach tricky areas, and the high suction power ensures a deep clean without the hassle. It's like a magic wand for everyday messes. The REIKIYA C10 doesn't just clean, it makes your life easier. Here's why: cordless convenience, no more tripping over cords or being tethered to a wall outlet. The rechargeable battery gives you the freedom to clean wherever you need to. Powerful suction, don't let the compact design fool you. This vacuum has enough suction power to handle anything from dust and crumbs to pet hair. Versatile attachments, whether you need a brush for upholstery or a narrow nozzle for those hard-to-reach spots. The REIKIYA comes with the right tools for the job. Easy maintenance, the dustbin is easy to empty, and the filters are washable, so you can keep your vacuum in top shape with minimal effort. Personally, I was always frustrated with how fast dirt seems to accumulate in my car, but the REIKIYA C10 made my life so much easier. Now I can clean up in minutes without dragging out a huge machine or finding a power outlet. Plus, I love that it's lightweight and fits in tight spots, whether it's pet hair on the couch or crumbs under the car seats. This vacuum handles it all. If you're looking for a convenient, powerful, and cordless solution to keep your spaces tidy, the REIKIYA C10 handheld vacuum is 100% worth it. It's perfect for small tasks that you'd otherwise put off or forget about. Fits easily in the closet, charges quickly, and is ready to tackle whatever mess life throws your way. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.